Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If it's the first time stopping to my channel, my name is Atineke. So today I'll be showing you how I achieved this lovely DIY donut bond braided bun wig using my DIY Brazilian wool French coils braid. I DIY this crochet French coils braid myself. The tutorial is on my channel. You can check that out, guys. So guys, I would advise you if you want to achieve this lovely amazing bond wig, you should use color black bond, and do not use big bond. Use small size bond. Do not use medium size. Use a small size bond. You can see what I'm doing, just doing normal crocheting on the bond. I don't want to purchase another bond, so that is why I make use of the bond I have at home. So I will advise you to use color black. Do not use the color I use. Color black is better because it's going to cover a lot. You're going to see what I'm trying to say towards the end of this video. Please do not forget to click on the like button, subscribe, share with your loved one. I really appreciate that so much, and I really appreciate each and every one of you for your support, for your love, the support of the growth to this channel. I really appreciate. May God be with each and every one of you, guys. So keep on watching this amazing tutorial, guys. So I forgot to mention that I make use of Brazilian wool for this DIY French coils crochet braid. I make use of Brazilian wool to achieve this gorgeous braid. So you can check the tutorial out, guys. So I use a bobby pin to hold this down. That is why I said you should use color black. So when I was crocheting, I didn't calculate I was going to use some of them to cover the bond. I didn't even remember. So you have to crochet more than mine if you want a very full ponytail, because me, I love full ponytail. So that is just it. Make sure you calculate the one you are going to use to wrap around the bond. So I use a rubber band to hold it down, to secure it down so that it will stay in place. Just keep on watching. This hairstyle, I love it. Then I style it in two ways. So this is the first way I can rock it, but I prefer the second way. I prefer that better. So this is the final look of the first way you can rock it. and I really love the outcome. I love how it look. I love the length. I love what it's giving. It's giving what it's supposed to give. This came out so beautiful. So this is the second method. Just wrap it round. Oh my god, you can actually rock this with head scarf. People would think you braid your hair, then you put it in ponytail. You can rock with a wide headband. So that is it, guys. Do not forget to click on the like button, subscribe, share with your loved one. I really appreciate that so much. So keep on watching to watch out for the final look. I had some accessories towards the final look. Keep on watching, guys.